Guys, I am so excited. If you've heard of Invisible Friends before, I've got something amazing for you. The same creator has brought out one of the greatest NFTs it's ever going to be about. So guys, let's get straight into it. Disclaimer:
not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only.
So let's get straight into the video. So guys, here is Invisible Friends. Okay, this isn't the project I'm talking about today, but I just want to show you if you didn't know what it was. All right, Invisible Friends look like this. Incredible. And they were made by Marcus Magnuson and the team, okay? They're absolutely fantastic. If you go over to the Twitter, you'll see Marcus Magnuson, who invented all this, right? Incredible person. Absolutely killing it behind the scenes. And his last tweet says, "Still your internet friend, just a bit busy." Guys, that was the last tweet he did. Now let's see how busy they have been. So the newest collection is Typical Friends. It's @_typical friends. All right. This is insane. There's a little tiny trailer here for you so you can watch it. As you can see, limited designer edition from Marcus Magnus coming soon. Stay ready. Okay. They're trying new things. It's Typical Friends. The new drop is going to be insane, guys. Typical Friends is going to blow up. I think this is going to be bigger than Invisible Friends. I think it's going to be bigger than everything that they have done. The previous project that he worked on, okay, was insane. It was Garbage Friends. You can see the similarities to Invisible Friends, but Garbage Friends blew up, guys. It absolutely blew up. Now, if you go to the website of this, just to give us an insight of what we think Typical Friends is going to be like, okay, the Garbage University is insane. You actually get a student pass into this Garbage University, all right? As you go down, you can see that Garbage University is friends on the horizon. The world needs quality garbage collectors, all right? And they're designing a program to prepare you for that. Through Twitter-driven activities, you'll have the opportunity to stand above landfill of average collectors and earn the right to collect the highest quality of garbage. Enroll in your garbage. So all you got to do is click begin enroll, connect your wallet, get in touch, and you'll get your student ID. So guys, Garbage Friends killed it, okay? Invisible Friends killed it. So what do you think that Typical Friends is going to do, okay? What do you think they are going to do with this project? It's insane, okay? This friendship world is going to blow up, guys. There's not a lot of information on Typical Friends right now. If anybody remembers Invisible Friends when this first came out, they had a website that just literally had a person walk in for months. No one got a bit of information. It was insane. It was the most secretive NFT project. But I'm telling you that with this, there's not a lot of information. It's going to be just as big. Got to think, 18.9 thousand followers, and there isn't an even insight to the NFT yet, okay? That's how incredible this is about to be. And if you look over on NFT feed, how Invisible Friends got on, all right, 3.6 ETH is the average price. At $6,000 average price for every single one of these. All right, it's insane. A trading volume of $72 million plus. Guys, I promise you, Typical Friends will be that massive project like this, okay? Now you can see obviously on their Twitter that they're putting posts up showing like this of how many they're gonna get involved, how many are gonna hit, okay, how many are gonna get. They're cooking some quality ooze, right? They're spending so much time on making sure this is perfect that I think we're all going to be very interested in how this plays out. So guys, do me a favor, give them a massive follow. Go through all of them, Garbage Friends, Invisible Friends, all of their Twitters, all right? Give them a massive follow. You can already get involved with Invisible Friends on OpenSea and get yourself one if you can afford it, or if you just love the project. Of course you can get involved, all right? Same with Garbage Friends. Go to their website, like I showed you, get involved, connect your wallet, get through and get your student pass, and get ready for Typical Friends to blow this place up. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.